All right, ladder's secure. Let's start with the front. Got it, power's on. Getting there. This front section is looking great. Yeah, almost done here. I'll take the brush to the tougher spots. Nice, let's keep moving back.
Look at the corrosion here. We might need to replace
this side. Looks much better now. Let's get that roof line. Keep it steady there. The base coat looks good. Needs a final polish.
Keep it steady there. Check the alignment on this tape. Needs more paper over here. All right, grab that end.
Heavy.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Vacuuming up the rest.
Clear now.
Just the dust now.
Careful with the drill, B.
It's hitting the crossbeam.
Keep the sparks away from the cables. Watch out for the sparks. Almost done securing this side. Pass me the next panel. We need to get this panel secured before the light shifts. How are we doing on the removal back there? Almost done, just one more section to pull out.
All right, twist these two together, keep it tight. Okay, I got this panel, just need to line it up.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, hold it steady, I'm drilling this corner.
How's the wiring coming along up there?
Oh, yeah.
Almost done with this junction box. I'm just testing the connections now.
All right, watch the floor. Almost there, push a bit closer. Looks good, let's grab the tools.
Make sure that wine cooler locks in tight. Almost there, just a little further back.
A few moments later.